10-room Victorian-style house in the village of Stillwater. Built in 1897, it's approximately 2,500 square feet. On 1/4 acre historic lot with mature maple trees. On the ground floor are 2 living rooms/parlors with double sliding pocket doors between, a dining room, Florida room, sun porch, country kitchen, half bath, another room, which could be used for an office, den, or another bedroom, a long front entrance hall with single pocket door to front parlor and an enclosed back porch/mud room. 4 bedrooms and full bath on the 2nd floor. Walk-up attic with a large cedar closet. The full, unfinished cellar has stonework walls and poured concrete floor. Cellar has 2 additional rooms, one has washer and dryer hookups and the other could be used for additional storage. In the front exterior is an open L-shaped front porch with a view of the Hudson River. 2-car garage built in 2002 faces the back street. Roofing repairs in 2001, 2009, 2013 and 2021. Oil/hot water heating system.